Where were electric cars 10 years ago? Very few people had heard of them, and if they had, it was unlikely they could afford to buy one or were wary of the technology. Nowadays, with the world wanting to be more eco-friendly, more people are opting for electric or hybrid cars and moving away from diesel and petrol. So, let's say you are offered a diesel car or an electric car at the same price. Which do you choose? Now, bear in mind that the electric car has cheaper insurance, cheaper road tax, free parking in city centres, has much cheaper fuel consumption, and is better for the environment. Okay, so now you have another choice. An old broadband network built on copper, a newer broadband network built on partial fibre, or a brand new fibre network designed to bring you ultra-fast hybrid fibre technology with sensational speeds directly to your home. Which do you choose? 6G Internet combines fibre and wireless, meeting today's demand and designed for the future. Ultra-fast internet delivered by 6G Internet.